Hello, my name is Mina Gayed, and this is my Capstone project. It is centered on one of the most important discoveries in the 20th centuries of physics, and it is about the Compton's X-ray scattering. So I basically wanted to investigate how X-rays scatter when they collide with electrons, and more importantly, how this proves the light behaves not only like a wave but also like a particle. It's the kind of moment in physics where the rules start to shift. I conducted simulations based on Arthur Compton's original experiment that back in 1923. I recreated the scattering data using the MATLAB platform, modeling how the X-ray wavelength changes based on the angle of scattering. All of this was done on my computer, and that took like long nights. So basically, back in 1923, the World War was trying to recover from the First World War. Around that time, Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize, not for his theory, but for explaining something called the photoelectric effect, which helped prove the light acts like a particle. And around that time, scientists were starting to realize that the old rules of physics did not always work, and a new way of thinking called the quantum theory was beginning to grow. It was an exciting time full of the big discoveries and changes in science. This project isn't a group kind of project, so it turned into a solo project where I work by myself, and I done some research and watched some videos, so it was like a one-man job in execution. So I designed the experiment, ran the calculations, realized or analyzed the results, and obviously wrote and recorded the presentation. So answering the question, what's my rule? Pretty much everything. For the scientific world, Compton's experiment confirmed that the photons, light particles, have a momentum. It helped prove quantum mechanism, but for me, it was a reminder that even the single experiment can rewrite that what we think we know about the universe. If I could go back in the time, I'll just want to be in a room where when Compton saw the data shift, and when he realized that the light wasn't just a wave anymore. That moment when the theory became reality. Isn't that magical?